What's up, everybody? It's J Rock of the Everyday DJ Podcast. Today is a special unboxing. This is not a super fancy produced video. Just enough of those out there. This is a raw, uncut, straight to the point unboxing. So today we got something special here. And unfortunately, I don't have any scissors. So I think we're good though. Xavier is looking for some.
Look at that flower bin thing to show you some utility scissors.
Oh, I'm good.
Perfect.
So, this is the shipping box. And inside, we got some shiny new foam. Yay! Oh. What we have here is a shiny new iPhone 12 Pro Max 256. I'm gonna do a more detailed video.
This one is a 4 minutes to 3.
4 minutes to 3 on how we're gonna use this in our DJ business along with the other phones that we have.
There you got a 4 minutes
So,
to 3.
Let's be loving and singing in the background. So we're gonna unwrap this joker. Shiny plastic. We'll stick that in here. Jeez. This is the Pacific blue color. And here we have it. It's beautiful.
That's real pretty.
It is beautiful. So this is the tab to lift it out. Jeez. We're gonna set it here. And in the box, you get the USB-C to lightning cord. That's pretty fun. You get the box with you get the cell phone, the SIM card, eject tool, and a shiny Apple sticker. Did you get the Apple sticker out of your box?
I don't know.
Yeah, you and Mom have Apple stickers as well.
I have an Apple sticker.
So we'll just put this back in here. We'll close up the box. And here we have the phone. And there you have it, America. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. And we got a case for it as well. We'll make this a 2-for-1 unboxing. The case that I chose is Apple MagSafe case for the iPhone 12 Max. I chose the clear case because Naomi has a clear case and I really like it. Mommy has a clear case on her phone, but hers has roses, so her case is really nice as well. So I'm jocking their style and going with the clear case, MagSafe case. And so my goal is to get this case on without smearing a lot of fingerprints on the actual phone itself. So let's see if we can do this. Feels so like I'm gonna break it.
That's how I felt putting my case on too.
Okay. So this is the iPhone 12 Max with the MagSafe case. Hello? Is it me that you're looking for? Shit, Evilly. Thank you. J Rock, and I'm out.